Hey, welcome back to the Snack Bite Coding Club. If you're new here, I'm your awkward but lovable host, and we're learning C# one variable at a time, with food, fun, and some occasional confusion. But that's okay, because we vibe here. Today, we're going to pour some milk into your brain. Not literally. I mean, we're learning about decimals, also known as the double data type in C#. Okay. Imagine this. You're at the grocery store and you ask, Uncle Ji, please give me 1 liter of milk. He replies, Beta, I only have 1.5 liters. Boom! That's not a whole number. It's got a decimal, a little dot with something after it. Like 1.5, 2.75, 99.99. The things that mess up our maths and make life interesting. We use double when we're dealing with prices, like $99.99 on sale, but still too expensive. Heights, 5.4 feet tall, that's a double. Fuel, coffee, weight, your grades if you're lucky. Anything that's not a whole number, but still important. So let's say you're building a coffee app. You want to let the user select how many liters of coffee they want. No one says, I want exactly 2 liters. They'll say, give me 2.75 liters. Yup, that's me before an exam. So in your code, just write double coffee liters equals 2.75. Console.WriteLine. Coffee ordered is 2.75 L. And boom, your code speaks decimal now. Coffee delivery in code and style. Now it's your turn. Write a C# program where you store the price of a pizza slice using double. Prink it with a nice sentence like, 1 slice costs $2.99, but my hunger is priceless. All right, besties, that's it for today's tasty topic. If you learned something or just laughed once, hit that like, subscribe, and ring that little bell so you never miss a snack-sized coding lesson with me. Next up, we might meet Float, or maybe even Char. Depends on the mood. Till then, code with vibes. And remember, decimals make life smoother, just like butter.